Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. If that's what you're into, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. A little time out, feeling a hair on the face. This is just becoming like a regular occurrence with me. I don't know what it is. Maybe I need some new brushes. All right, you guys, so today is going to be another Adept palette, and today is they ship their stuff in crazy big boxes. Like, there's nothing that's going to happen to these palettes. Like, do you see this? I got 4 palettes and they were delivered in this gigantic box, and I was like, why did they put 4 small palettes in a huge box? And this is why, because the palettes themselves are shipped in giant boxes, lots of foam packaging. They are secure. So today we are going flying Fiddles, Adept Cosmetics. Love the lace detail on the packaging. Absolutely beautiful. And here's that really, really, really pretty palette. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We'll do 2 looks, one blue, one greenish. And let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to start with... Let's start with the shade Daylily. It's speaking to me. I don't know. It just is. It is what it is. I need to turn this mirror. Okay. All right, you guys. I also need to pay attention to the weather because I thought the Weather Channel told me that it was going to be raining. The dogs are outside. Sophie is not a fan of the rain, so I need to make sure I bring her in if it's raining. She's still doing well. She's very picky food-wise. She really likes steak. She does not want anything to do with her dog food. She was doing good eating chicken, and then she gets a little bit of turkey, but now she decided she just wants the steak, so here we are. She gets steak because she needs to eat. And she's always been picky, but man, she's like really taken it up about 10 notches. But I'm just happy that she's doing better and she is eating. So I am happy to spend more money buying her steak. I don't eat a lot of meat. I do like fish, seafood, stuff like that. But like, so yeah, like I don't even like eat or buy steak for myself or cook it. But I will for her, so there you go. Now I'm going to take this shade Tan Toffee Rose right here and just kind of blend it in. Again, I am just like, I thought I found a good smaller blender brush, but I don't know what happened to it. It's like, it is so hard to find. Let me just try this with nothing on it. Like a really good, tiny, smaller blender brush. It's just, I don't know. It's just hard to find. This isn't really what I was wanting either. I promise I'm not trying to take up like too much time. I think this is the one that I thought might have worked better. So I'm just kind of gonna blend all that in. But then I feel like this one isn't dense enough. It's just, I feel like Goldilocks and the 3 bears looking for the right porridge, you know? Like, one's too thick, one's too thin. I still haven't found one that's just right. That's okay, it happens. I'm not going anywhere today. It's later in the day. I can't film early on Sundays like I would like because my husband is sleeping. So it kind of throws off my whole schedule. It sucks because like I literally have 2 days off. But that's okay. That's life. That's how it goes. My life has never been one that suits my needs or is what I've ever needed. So I just am like, whatever. I do the best with what I can. Alright, now we're going to go in with one of these shimmers. And gonna go with the shade Blue Crown, which is this shade right here. We're gonna start with that one, maybe add something else on top. Let's just see. Let's just see how it goes. That is a really, really, really pretty shade. Very, very pretty. All right, I kind of want to take the shade, let's take this one, Yellow Bronwyn, right here. And I'm going to put that just in the center of the eye. It's very, very pretty. All right. Then for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade Green Kelly right here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with, for my lower inner corner highlights, I think I'm going to go with the shade Dahlia right here, because that's really, really, really pretty. Okay, that is gorgeous right there. Now for the other eye. If I can find my brushes again. Like, I will never understand. I feel like if you sit a brush down in a cup, it should be like around the same area where you put it, but that's not what happens. So weird. All right, you guys, I'm going to start with the shade Sahara right here. And that's the shade I'm just going to pack. You guys hear that? Oh, this shade's loose. Because I'm like, why am I hearing this every time I tap that shade? It's just loose. Okay. Alright, tapping this in. Getting a nice good crease going. And then going to take that same shade, the Tan Toffee Rose, and I'm just kind of going to blend it together. So again, I just dropped the brush I just grabbed. Of course I did. Why wouldn't I? You guys, I think that I have been cursed within like the last week. I mean, not that my life is not complete and total crap to begin with, and it is not horrendous, but like the dumbest little things have been happening to me. Like anytime I touch something, I drop it, I spill it, whatever. It's like out of control. Like I've always been clumsy, this shade right here, and stuff, but this is like every time I try to do anything and I'm just like, what? And it all happened like within the last week, and I'm like, have I been cursed? Like, what is going on? I'm not understanding this. Like, I mean, it is every time I try to do something, and it's really getting frustrating. I mean, like, if you like drops like once in a while, that's okay. But if you're like spilling stuff and like everything you do just turns into a complete and total disaster, there comes a point where you're like, okay, this is a little much. Like, what is going on? And I don't understand it. I'm just trying to blend this out. I'm not getting it. I'm not understanding what is going on or why. All right. Is this kind of close to the other eye? Close, 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 close. Yeah, I just really need like a small, really good blender brush that's like not too dense, but not too like soft. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, the Goldilocks and the Three Bears thing. It's hard to find something that is just right. All right, now I'm putting down my glitter glue. Let that get a little tacky. It's definitely gotten darker outside, but I don't think it's raining just yet, is it? Yeah, it says rain possible around 5:30, you guys. It is 2:50 p.m. and it's showing rain kind of close, but nothing ever makes sense here. Like, it's just, I don't know. Nothing ever makes sense. Okay. So I guess this is going to be more of my greenish eye. I guess. Let's go with the shade Pompon Button, because it's kind of like a greenish blue. And it looks really, really pretty. Okay. Yes, that is very, very beautiful. I like that. Oh, this is pretty. All right. Man, you guys, these shimmers really are phenomenal. Like, so, so beautiful. All right, now I need something to go in the center of the lid. Let me just take a second. Let's go with Arisima, which is that shade right there. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but that's pretty. Oh man, okay, okay. That is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very, very pretty. Now for that lower lash line, I'm just going to take the shade Green Kelly again. Put that on the lower lash line. All right. Let's go with the shade Daffodil for the lower inner corner highlight. Alright, that is really, really pretty. Okay, you guys. The bangs are already done, so I just have to go throw some mascara on, come back for a final look-see, and I think that should be it, so I will be right back. Alright, so I am back. I'm gonna, if you know, you know, we gotta throw on a Mandy Makeup Lightworker highlight. This one is in the shade Soulfire. I just feel like it would go perfectly with these looks. So let's get to that really quick. Just try to make sure that you guys can see this go on. It is phenomenal. Absolutely gorgeous. So, so, so pretty. Throw a little bit on the nose, why not? Cupid's bow, just a little bit. Just feeling some extra glitter, shimmer, beautifulness today. All right. Now, just gonna put on a little more of my Rick and Morty setting spray. That is like literally the best feeling. Okay, now here are the finished looks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got a little hunk of mascara right there. It's okay, we'll just ignore that because it's totally gonna smear. All right, you guys, and again, this was the Adept Cosmetics Flying Fiddles palette. Just look at that beautiful lace. I love lace. I love the detailing on the packaging, and I especially love these beautiful, beautiful shades right here. Back it up a little bit. I just want you guys to be able to really get a good look at those shimmers. Are phenomenal. Love this palette. Really quick on the lips, it was the Moira Lip Goddess lipstick in the shade Blossom. I just wanted something super duper simple. All right, you guys, are you an Adept Cosmetics fan? Do you like the looks I created? Do you have a favorite palette from Adept Cosmetics? Just let me know all the things. Sorry, I have like hair on my chin. Okay, but seriously, you guys, let me know. Oh man, my bangs, they are just out of control lately. But seriously, let me know all things down below. Let me know, Adept Cosmetics, yes, no, have you tried them? Do you want to try them? What's your favorite palette? Just tell me all the things. Remember that you are beautiful, you're loved, you're amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.